Hononga. Hono, connect.
Ngā, the many.
Hononga, connections.
Loosely translated to connections, it's about how young people can understand, identify and strengthen them.
Hononga work in a variety of ways, from whakapapa to people, water, the land, spirituality and technology, and the environment.
We only have to think about these in our own lives and how meaningful and dynamic they are.
When we understand these things for young people, we recognise the value of hononga in their lives.
Such as education, iwi, hapu, peers, marae, community and other connections that can be strengthened.
Strengthening hononga also means recognising the connection between the well-being of a young person and also the well-being of their social, natural and online environments.
Think of it as having a bird's eye view over the rangatahi, being able to see the invisible connections that contribute to them as a person. Tihei, mauri ora.